university, I used to look like Susan Boyle, but then I went to Illy's barber and had a haircut. Sex, weights, and protein shakes. That's my motto. But without the sex. Don't be a fat fuck, be a fit fuck.